Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. So this one is about contact pages, right? And they go all over the websites. We see them throughout the World Wide Web. Now, as far as for SEO and for business, lately we've been seeing a lot of issues, that is middle of 2021, June, July, with different updates to different forms and different form builders, specifically inside of WordPress with some of the plugins. So you might want to check those, and since we're seeing failures with those, a broader spectrum is not just that should you check yours, but put that into a schedule so that you know whether you check your messages every day, every week, every month. You might want to get into the habit of sending yourself a test form on that regular basis. Certainly once a day is not a bad idea. Thanks, and I hope this helps you with your SEO and how you should be using your contact forms to check and make sure that they are running well, specifically since we're seeing some failures with that in the middle of 2021. Thanks, and I hope this helps.